Concerned about privacy? I'll guide you on how to find out which app is using your camera in the background on Windows 11. Stay tuned for a quick and secure way to manage your camera settings. Press the Windows key plus I to open the Settings app. And navigate to Privacy and Security in the left panel, followed by Camera from the right side. Here you will find a list of apps that have or don't have access to your camera. If you want to change the permission to a certain app, simply click on the toggle next to it. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.